This section provides a detailed guide to naming conventions in C# development, ensuring consistency, readability, and maintainability across projects. It begins with an overview of naming conventions and their role in structuring code effectively. It then explores best practices for naming projects and namespaces to maintain logical organization. Additionally, it outlines guidelines for naming files to improve project navigation and clarity. The section also establishes conventions for naming classes, methods, variables, properties, and fields, providing clear and structured rules for writing clean, maintainable code.